The Supreme Court heard arguments today in the most anticipated case of this term. It started when a Colorado baker refused on religious grounds to make a wedding cake for a same-sex couple. Chief legal correspondent Jan Crawford talked to both sides.
As soon as we sat down with the owner, he asked us who the cake was for, and when we said it was for us, he said he would not make a cake for a same-sex wedding.
I will gladly sell you anything in my shop, but this is just an event that I can't create a cake for.
Jan, you were in the courtroom today. Both sides have deeply held beliefs here.
Well, Jeff, in this case, sharply divided the justices on these bedrock principles. Liberal justices were really worried that a ruling for the baker would mean that all kind of other businesses could refuse to participate in same-sex weddings. For example, Justice Elena Kagan said, how do you draw a line? What about the chef and the florist and everybody else that participates in a wedding? But conservative justices were troubled by the idea that the government could force someone to make something that goes against their deeply held religious beliefs. And here, Justice Samuel Alito was almost incredulous. He said, someone can be compelled to write particular words on, say, a wedding cake that he strongly disagrees with. But Jeff, these issues have always divided the justices. Gay rights issues have always divided the justices on ideological lines. You've got your 4 conservative justices on the one hand, 4 liberals on the other, and in the middle, conservative moderate Justice Anthony Kennedy. He is the one to watch. And over the years, he has consistently sided with liberals to expand gay rights or legalize same-sex marriage.
Jan Crawford, thank you very much.